Hey there, welcome back to Mother's Barbecue. On this Labor Day weekend, we're going to be doing some Kansas City style spare ribs. Let's get going. First things first, we got to make a very simple Kansas City style rub. We're going to start out with some brown sugar, some paprika, black pepper, salt, some chili pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and some cayenne. Give that a good mix. Try to get those brown sugar lumps taken care of. That's it. Can't get any simpler than that. Let's go ahead and set this aside. Let's get our ribs prepped. So here we have a nice big slab of spare ribs, and I like using these because you get all these little treats off of them once it's trimmed up. So we're going to go ahead and cut the flap off here. We're going to find where the bones sort of stop in the little section here. And we're just going to go right down the center. And these pieces of the rib tips here, awesome. I love cooking these and then snacking them on later. Go ahead and we'll get these nice and squared up. Get that membrane removed, and we got a nice slab of St. Louis style spare ribs. Nice and simple, very easy to do. You get a lot of extra meat off of this, which is, my opinion, pretty great. You know, we get to snack on these little chef bits here. So let's go ahead and get that membrane removed, and we'll get these spiced up. So to remove our membrane here, and again, this is optional. A lot of people just sort of score this and be done with it. Some people don't remove it all. I like to remove it. I'm just going to use a butter knife and just sort of get it underneath the membrane. We'll take some paper towels. Get a grip on it. And we try to get it off in one big piece, but if not, just go back. There we go. Sometimes it's simple, sometimes it's a little difficult, but just do your best. So that's it. Nice, clean cut spare ribs here. We'll go ahead and hit it with our Kansas City rub. All right, we're gonna let these hang out. On this cook, we're gonna be firing up the Kamado Joe Classic. We're gonna be using some mesquite lump charcoal with some applewood. So we'll get that fired up and get it up to temp, looking for around 225, 250 in there. And we'll be throwing these on. All right, our temp's up on our Kamado Joe. We're hitting 250 right now, so hopefully we don't get too far above. Get these right in the center. And I'm just gonna let these cruise. I'm not gonna do anything with them. I'm just gonna check in about 3 hours, check for tenderness, and that's it. So I'll see you then. So we are at the 3.5 hour mark, and these are looking really good. Got some great color, pretty tender. We got about another 30 minutes to go, and at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and sauce these up with a sweet barbecue sauce. And again, you can use any sauce you like. This is just a homemade, ketchup, brown sugar. I put a little peach preserve in there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna baste these for about another 30 minutes. So baste these off and on, every 10, 15 minutes until we hit our 4 hour mark, and if we're tender enough. So there we have it. Basic backyard spare rib barbecue. I mean, you can't get any simpler than this when you want some good barbecue. Nothing fancy, nice and simple rub. I mean, you could have used a store-bought barbecue sauce, like Sweet Baby Ray's or something like that, but I just happen to have some already in a squeeze bottle, which I always keep on hand. Nice and simple. No Texas crunch, no butter, sugar, whatever, which is great. I mean, I love that kind of barbecue, but this is nice and simple. Let's go ahead and slice these open. All right, let's grab one of these right in the middle. Nice and juicy. It's almost the perfect rib. Let's give this a bite. Perfect bite through, tender, sweet from that barbecue sauce, spicy from that cayenne. It's the perfect backyard barbecue. Total cook time was about 4 hours. Around the last half hour, I started coating with my barbecue sauce just to get that nice sticky glaze onto it. That's it. Nothing special. No wrapping, no nothing. So you guys have got to give this a try. Remember, please hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next run. Thanks for watching.